Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I Raja Parekh from St. Thomas High School, Mahua, am here to further continue with the subject of English for the students of class 5th. My dear students, during the previous lecture we completed up till activity number 6. We saw match the following with their antonyms. So now we are going to complete the fill in the blanks which we used by the words in the column B to complete the sentence. The first one is the book in the library were dash in the neat order on the shelf. So the answer to this is arranged. My father was dash to see my report card as I had performed well. So my father was pleased to see my report card as I have performed well. The third one is the dash people are always tired in court. So the guilty people are always tired in court. I am very dash with everything in my house. I am very familiar with everything in my house. So my dear students, let's start with activity number 7. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was a great leader of India. When he was a student, he once took the help of a senior friend in solving a difficult problem in mathematics. So now we are going to study about Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was one of the great leaders of India, and when he was a student, he took one of the help of his senior friend, the friend who was studying in the previous standard, and he was older than him in solving a difficult problem in mathematics. The teacher thought that Gokhale himself had solved the problem. He praised him in the class and also rewarded him. However, instead of being happy, Gokhale began to cry. So when the teacher thought that when he solved the problem, the teacher thought that he had solved the problem himself. That means the sum was solved by Gopal Krishna Gokhale himself. So he praised him in the class, he appreciated him and also rewarded him. That means he gave a prize to him. However, instead of being happy, Gopal Krishna Gokhale began to cry. When the teacher inquired, that means when the teacher asked him, he told him that he had taken the help of a senior student in solving the problem. His truthfulness impressed the teacher. He said, "You don't need to return the reward, take it as a reward for your truthfulness." So after the teacher saw that he began to cry, the teacher asked him that why are you crying? So he told the teacher that he has taken the help of a senior student in solving the problem, and by listening to this the teacher was impressed by his truthfulness, and hence the teacher said that you don't need to return the reward. That means you don't need to give back your reward. This is the reward for your truthfulness. That means you spoke truth. That is why I am giving you this reward. When Mahatma Gandhi was a child, he was never late in reaching school. Though he did not have a watch with him, he would guess the time by looking at the position of the sun in the sky. So when Mahatma Gandhi was also a small child, he was never late in reaching school, and he didn't have the watch, but he used to guess the time by looking at the position of the sun in the sky. One day, the sky was overcast with clouds and it began to rain. So Gandhiji could not guess the time. That day he was late. The principal asked him the reason for coming late. Gandhiji told him the truth, but the principal did not believe him. He fined him for arriving late. It made Gandhiji weep. So, when he was a child, at that time, one day, as the atmosphere was cloudy, and it began to rain, Gandhiji could not guess the time, and due to that reason, he was late in the school. The principal asked him the reason that why were you late. So Gandhiji told him truth, but the principal did not believe him, and hence he fined him for arriving late. That means he punished him for arriving late, and because of this Gandhiji started weeping, that means crying. His friend asked, "Why are you weeping for such a small punishment?" Gandhiji replied, "I am not crying because I have been fined. I feel hurt because the principal thought that I was lying. I always speak the truth. No one has ever accused me for lying." So his seeing Gandhiji cry, his friend asked him that, "Why are you crying for such a small punishment?" So Gandhiji replied that, "I am not crying because of this punishment." Gandhiji was hurt as the principal thought that he was lying. Gandhiji always used to speak the truth. When the principal came to know why Gandhi cried, he called him to his office and praised him for his love of truth. And hence, at last, he was punished. Principal, when he came to know that Gandhiji was crying for such a reason, he called him and praised him for the truth of love. That means truth his love of truth. So my dear students, here we are at the end of today's video. In the very next class, we'll be solving the question answers to this. Thank you and have a nice day.